So right here this morning doing a green light inspection on this R4030 sprayer. And one of the things that I like to do when doing green light inspections on pretty much anything that has an engine, I like to pressure up the cooling system. I'll show you why right here. This customer wasn't complaining about any kind of leak or anything, but I've got my coolant pressure tester here. I've got hooked onto the top of the reservoir here. Got my valve on and we're going to crank it up. And this system's rated for 15 psi. We get to 15 psi there, and we can shut the valve and just see if it drops, or we can actually start looking for some leaks. We've got a leak over here on this hose, lower radiator hose right here. So we'll try to tighten up the clamp, see if that fixes the leak. If not, the hose and clamp will need to be replaced, and see if we can tighten it up and get that leak to stop. We got the hose clamp tightened up and we blew it off real good, and I'm not seeing any kind of leak now while the system's pressured up. So this possibly could have saved the customer an overheating issue or loss of coolant. So it's just one of the things I like to check.